OMG. Okay, first of all, now we got Dr. Radar. We don't know if storms are severe, but the nodal radio setup is on right now. We're gonna loop it and tell me something because there was some storms right here earlier, but it looks like it died out and pop up right here. It is still popping. It is about 3 o'clock in the morning, and right now it's 3 o'clock in the morning, and pretty much it looks like it's some kind of severe weather storm. We don't know if it's severe or not, but we're gonna check out right now. Nope, they're not severe. It was severe, it will say it something. They're not severe right now, but they probably will in the future. So let's go to NOAA. It looks like nothing severe. Let's give me an update something. It looks like these storms are not severe. But tonight is actually a slight chance. Overnight 30% chance, which is clearly won't happen. But 80% chance of thunderstorms before 2 o'clock. After 5 in the morning, supposed to get some thunderstorms, which is probably won't be overnight. So I'm gonna say between maybe 65%. I do agree. And that's about it. 3 in the morning, I already told you. Today is the first day of June. Hurricane season is begin. There we go. Now we go over here. Severe weather supposed to hit the vortex 2 thing. Overnight, there's some rain popping up, and blah is still moving. Then the rain's gonna move here. It's gonna hit right on us, and it's gonna die out. And that's about it until tonight. Then next day is another episode of storms on tomorrow, and it's gonna rain pretty much all the freaking day. So I don't know. And that's it. Stay tuned for more updates. Part 2 is here. Part 3 will be uploaded. And part 3 will be uploaded in a few minutes.